Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing my college experience and this side is Khushbu Yadav, BTech second year CS student, and I am currently in 4th semester, and this video will be going on many parts. So let's get started. As I remember the first day of college, I walked in with dreams to be good at coding, building websites and many more. But guess what? Reality तो कुछ और ही है. After orientation session, we were busy on attending continuously lectures, doing non-stop assignments and every month's sessionals and PUT, final exams and many more things. So ऐसा होता है ना कि जब हम पहली बार कॉलेज जाते हैं तो इतने बड़े बड़े सपने लेके जाते हैं कि जिस भी फील्ड में है उससे रिलेटेड कि इसमें हम अच्छा करेंगे, पर कुछ टाइम बीतने के बाद हमें रियलिटी पता चलती है कि एक्चुअल में ऐसा होता नहीं है जैसा हम सोच के जाते हैं. तो कॉलेज भी इसी तरह है कि जब हम स्कूल में होते हैं तो हमें लगता है कि कॉलेज में बहुत सारा फ़न होगा, बहुत सारी मस्ती होंगी और उसके बाद हम वहाँ पे सब कुछ अच्छा होगा. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हमेशा अच्छा ही हो. सो बी प्रिपेयर फॉर जो भी हो उसके लिए, एंड रियलिटी इज़ मच different from expectations. I still remember how I used to sit alone on the bench in class throughout my entire first year. No one is sat with me, and it doesn't mean I don't have friends. It just my section has changed, and the friend I met in the beginning, they were in different class, and I was in another class. So in that class they also have their own groups, so it is a difficult task for me to make new friends quickly, and it took time. So it was my bad experience, and even now I have very few friends, but the ones I have, they are वेरी गुड एंड सपोर्टिव. मतलब कि ऐसा है कि जो भी हुआ ठीक था. मतलब थोड़े दिन बुरा लगा मुझे, पर कुछ टाइम बाद कि जब नए फ्रेंड्स बने तो उनके साथ एडजस्ट होने में थोड़ा टाइम तो लगा, बट दे आल्सो हैव गुड वाइब्स. थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग माय फ्रेंड. So I don't think anyone studies regularly in college, and yes, it is definitely difficult to study and sit one night before exam. If you actually want to score good marks, you have to study at least 1 week or 2 weeks before exam, and college is something different from only scoring good marks in academics. As I am doing engineering from AKTU University, so I have slowly realized that I am not always ones who study well that score highest marks. Anything can happen here, so always be prepared for both good or bad situations. Engineering taught me more than what's in books. It taught me how to survive and how to grow, how to learn from failure, and it basically taught I work under high pressure. Basically हम इसमें प्रेशर झेलना, और ऐसा होता है ना लास्ट मोमेंट पे सारे काम करना, एंड ये सब करना जो है सीख जाते हैं. और मैं भी धीरे धीरे सीख रही हूँ, बिकॉज एज एन AKTU स्टूडेंट जो भी होंगे उन्हें अब तक तो पता चल ही गया होगा कि हमारे यहाँ एग्ज़ाम के एक दिन पहले डेट शीट का पता चलता है. और एक दिन पहले ही हमें बताया जाता है कि हमारे कल एग्ज़ाम्स हैं. सो इट्स हेल्प मी अ लॉट. Whether you are engineering student or just curious, I hope this give you a glimpse into a real college life. If you related any parts, drop a comment and don't forget to subscribe. More more real content coming soon. And that's for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.